Only person that could come to my door is the mailman. Let's get straight to it.
Houston, Texas. This dude straight up swiped a jacket while the homeowner watched it happen.
What's wrong with you? Put my jacket down, hoe.
Let's see how that played out.
Put my jacket down, bitch.
Hey.
Put my motherfucking jacket down. What you doing in my house? I'm gonna let my dog out of your. Let me call my sister. Hold on.
Call your sister. With your sister the dog? Nigga, what the fuck?
Bro, get away from my motherfucking house, bro.
Hey, you can help me out with some clothes?
I don't have nothing right now, bro. Don't just come on my porch like that grabbing, man.
This weed hit me. But look up. My bad, y'all. Motherfucker blunt kicking my ass, but look though. Say.
I'm down the street from my house. Don't.
Yeah, man, Michael.
Oh yeah, bro, you ain't gonna help my man's out with a couple pieces of clothes, bro. Feel me? That's crazy, bro. He already homeless.
Yeah, don't do that shit.
My.
Yeah, that's my work jacket,
Alright.
Colton, California. If you or someone you love lives alone, this is a must-watch. An elderly woman was peacefully sitting on her porch when one lady distracted her with small talk, while another snuck inside. Luckily, her daughter saw it all
The back door is crazy, bro.
on the doorbell cam. Let's watch and learn how to stay one step ahead.
Always stay one step ahead. Damn, 3 women? 85, bro. She 85 years old? One of them lure her away from the door while the other snuck into the house. I was at the house. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. This motherfucker, he out of breath. Y'all hear me? So them the 2 ladies? So they just walked right in. I ain't gonna lie, she 85 years old, so I'm gonna have to cut her some slack, bro. Cause ain't no way, bro. It's just no way. 85 years my ass, bro. Ain't nobody that fucking crazy. Is that another one trying to bet with? Who is that?
Excuse me.
Hey, get out of there.
Excuse me.
What do you want?
Somebody went in the house. Get out. Get out now.
We've already called the cops. They're on their way.
Oh my God. Look at this.
Then her dumb ass on camera, her whole body description on camera. Motherfuckers don't think. Like, you ain't got no ski mask, no body protection or nothing. You just out here. How niggas be... One thing, but how y'all try to do a crime, but y'all don't even... Come on, bro.
Just left it. Oh my gosh. Hey, get out now. The cops are on their way.
She don't even look 85. She look good 73. I mean 63.
That was my mom that went in to those 3 of them. Where are they? Did they go in the house?
That's what I'm saying. She just walked right in like that was auntie crib or something. Like, huh? My man's walking out the cut with the square in his mouth. Little ass dog.
St. Paul, Minnesota.
There's a moment when an idea becomes more than just a thought. When you feel it, you'll know it. It's that drive.
Around midnight, this intoxicated woman approached a house, then later wandered off and sat in an unknown car. Late night walks like this? Not a great idea.
She look intoxicated. She just had about 3 shots of vodka. That's Smirnoff. I swear to God, she was just with the girls. It's bad.
Stay safe out there.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Bitch, did you go fight a fucking polar bear for that jacket? That shit sweet as hell, my baby. White girl got style. Fuck you talking about? She out there matching with the snow. Little snow bunny. My mama. I like her. Hey, she lurking though? She a goblin? She a gremlin or something? She
Sierra Vista, Arizona. Check out this lady.
I thought she was waiting by the cut. She got a turban on and everything. What you about to do? In the name of Allah. Fuck is she talking about?
Hello?
Hi, Merry Christmas!
Can I help you?
Man, what is you?
Yeah, I got 7. Are you ready for a puppy? Merry Christmas!
I don't think I know you.
Man.
I don't care. I'm leaving the puppy here, so you better come grab it.
No, I don't
She doing all the... Who the fuck is you, man?
think so.
Oh my god, you don't know one who wants a puppy? What the hell? I don't have kids, but I'm sure you have a niece or something, no?
I don't know who you are, and you need to go on. It's almost midnight.
She don't even sound right.
Whatever, be a Grinch. I'm just saying, the puppy's in home.
Chicago, Illinois.
Yeah, she don't even sound right. First of all, she don't look right or sound right. She coming to the door, what was that, 12 o'clock in the morning, at night? Talking about some come get this dog. Man, that dog got a motherfucker bomb in that bitch. You better, she got the turban on, bro. Her Muslim brother sent her to your crib so she can bomb your shit with the dog. The dog not even real whole time. That shit was made by Dr. Doofenshmirtz in his lab. That is a bomb. That looked like a dog. Bro, this shit crazy.
This mail thief is making rounds, snatching envelopes like it's a full-time job.
Hey,
And just look
you know what's crazy? My ass done dropped the blunt and I ain't got no bitch, no hoes.
at that stash.
That's
She's
how
been busy.
That's how you know this shit isn't fake, bro. That big ass book bag in there. I ain't got
Rosedale, New York.
Can I help you?
This guy's got a
Bro, you could tell them some New York niggas. Look at the bubble coat and the hat combo. Man, them niggas got Tim's on.
story, but is it real or just another scam? Watch and decide for yourself.
Is this the Duper residence?
Correct.
Are you guys home?
He's high as
What
hell.
do you need? Who are you looking for?
So my name is Mo. I'm here with Sunra on behalf of New York State. We're helping homeowners in the area get their federal incentive. I'm just trying to see, have you gotten yours yet?
Federal incentive. What is you talking about? You look high as hell.
No, thank you. I'm not interested. Thank you so much, though.
We're not selling anything. We're just helping homeowners save thousands of dollars by getting their federal incentive. We're a public entity that helps homeowners get their incentives and lower their property taxes, increase their home equity, and put some money back in your
Bro,
pocket.
this nigga look like he off a perk or some shit, bro. Like, he just... I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to the federal incentive. Like, bro, you look like you about to nod off and... You feel me, like, bro?
What's the name of the company again?
Huh? Sunrun.
The name of the company?
Son of a... Bro, you...
Sunrun, miss.
The name of the company?
Yeah, Sunrun.
Okay, no problem. If needed, I'll speak to my husband and we'll reach out if needed. Thank you so much.
Alright, I'll come back if anything.
No problem. No need to call back. I'll just see if my husband is interested.
Okay, because we could give you the no cost option, so you save thousands and you don't have to take out a loan or anything.
This is a scam,
Whereas
bro.
online,
This
you
funny
might
as
have
hell.
to.
This is a scam. He trying to rob your dumb ass. He just trying... Look at... He's high. He ain't even thinking right, bro.
We can give you that promotion. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I'll reach out if needed. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Yeah, them niggas was up to no good talking about federal incentive. What is they talking about, bro? Y'all niggas don't even look professional. You look high as hell. You talking about... That ain't no weed high. I smoke weed every day. That ain't no weed high, bro. You don't... Off no weed, bro. Like, bro, what the fuck?
Cincinnati, Ohio. This guy tried to make a run for it, but the law caught up. And guess what?
Bro, you running from the police in the snow. You ain't getting no fucking where, brother. You ain't getting nowhere, brother.
The whole chase is on doorbell cam.
This nigga can't even hop the fucking fence. And I bet you I know why he couldn't hop the fence. This nigga jeans too tight. His jeans too tight, bro.
Oh, man!
The whole chase is on doorbell cam.
He couldn't even hop the fence, bro. His jeans is too tight. He probably got on some big ass Timbs that ain't even his size, bro. This nigga got three, like, bro, you running in the snow from the police. Bro, you ain't going no motherfucking where, nigga. What the fuck is you talking about, bro? That nigga think he froze on and shit, talking about, come on, man. Like, bro, you caught, bro. I don't know why you thought you was gonna run away from the police in the snow. I'm not talking about you in the street where it's just slush, bro. This nigga's in the snow, in the grass where it don't get shoveled at. Come on, bro. Trying to hop a fence. Like, my fat nigga do better than that, bro. You crazy.
Ready to get down on the ground. I ain't get on the ground, bro. I ain't get on the ground. Ready? Show me your hand. I ain't get on the ground, bro. Turn around. Turn around there. Turn around. Get on the ground.
Bro, you better sit down. You better get shot, bro. You tripping.
I don't want to have no seizure.
So you mean to tell me that officer could hop the fence, but he can't? Get the fuck out of here, bro.
I scared myself. Okay, turn around. Where's your knife at? I ain't got no knife. Okay, turn around.
Who's this nigga?
Okay, turn around.
Who's that?
I ain't got no knife. Okay, turn around.
And it's crazy because I've been peeped him too. I've been peeped him too. I just not said something. What the fuck?
Hey guys, if you check your Ring camera, someone tried to rob a lot of people last night, so I'm tracking footsteps. Call me if you see them on your camera, because I know where they live. I just track their foots. I think it turned off. Give me one again.
Huh? Huh? He look weird.
I went to.
Don't trust no man. Don't trust no man. If he's a grown man, I don't even care if he was homosexual, bro. And I ain't got nothing against the homos, but I'm saying, as a grown, you don't trust no grown man that wear a beanie with a puffball on top. If he got a beanie with the puffball, don't trust him. I don't even care if he homophobic, bro. If he's a grown man, if he has a license, and he wears a puffball with his beanie, he out of bounds, bro.
The hospital, it's closed. I went to the other hospital and it's closed. I went to 2 shelters and 2 hospitals and they're both closed. I stopped at 3 places. I've asked. I'm cold.
How's you talking over the dog? I would have left, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. This dog over here keep cutting me off and shit. Can't even smack the dog up beside this shit. Like, I would have left.
No trae celular, no sé si puedes entrar. Ya fueron unos horitas, yo vengo a las 5:30.
Did she just come steal the mail? This will go on in Alabama?
Go put it back.
No.
Go put it back.
Atlanta, Georgia.
If you wasn't at home, I could see why you did that. But if you was at home, if you was in the house on your phone watching the Ring camera on your phone while she walking away with your mail, you a goofy. Ma'am, you was a goofy. I would have ran out. I wouldn't even got on the doorbell. Nigga, I would have ran outside the house so bad and grabbed her by her ponytail. Nigga, you crazy as hell.
This neighbor showed up at the door with a weapon. Homeowner called the cops, but guess what? They knocked, no answer, and just left. What do you guys think?
That nigga look like Slender Man. No, he not okay. He either off meds, mental hospital, something. He ain't okay, bro. He ain't trying to do nothing.
Queens Village, New York.
He ain't trying to do nothing intentional. He mental, bro. I could tell.
This porch pirate pulled a bold move. He straight up pretended to be the homeowner, signed for the package, and walked off like he owned the place. Sneaky or just plain shameless?
Then that nigga turned around and showed his fucking face. I love it. I love it. Y'all niggas doing the fucking police fucking... Y'all niggas stupid. I hate people that do a crime and just be retarded. Like, bro, you should have just stayed in school. Just be retarded.
Austin, Texas. This guy showed up with a machete, knocking on doors, aggressively.
Nah, he on that.
Yeah, not exactly someone you want to chat with. Rule number 1, do not open. Just call the cops.
Yeah, bro, you gotta leave. I would have opened my door with that chopper. What you want to do? You gonna bring a knife to a gunfight? Come on, mama. I would have bought that.
Can I help you?
So fast. You want to bring a knife to a gunfight? What you want to do? Yeah. You feel me?
Can I help you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah, he crazy. He's just walking back and forth.
You need to leave.
He not leaving.
Miami, Florida.
That nigga just finished watching the scary. He just finished watching Michael Myers and he think he like that. Fuck that. This nigga just watched Jason, Friday the 13th, and he think he like that.
This late night...
Nigga over here standing there like, come out, wherever you... Like, what the fuck is you, nigga?
Creeper is out here vandalizing property. Some people really have nothing better to do. Keep your cameras rolling.
What is going on? Let me know what is this for?
So she came to throw bottles?
What is for?
Chair?
What did they come here for now? What am I taking for now? Someone tell me now.
Walked in the house. That's the owner, bro. He just walked.
Jamaica, New York. This lady
Oh, what was that last clip? That wasn't even nothing.
spotted a package on the porch and thought it was hers for the taking. But surprise, the homeowner caught her in the act. Let's see how this plays out.
This how you supposed to be, bro. You supposed to be masked up like this. Like something like this, bro. If you doing any... Like, it's a fucking camera, gang. That's funny. She's smart. He's whoever that is smart. I ain't gonna lie. This probably the smartest one. Don't turn your head.
The fingers on the floor, man. I'm getting water. No, I don't want. I can take up my own package. Okay, so we're gonna pour in the water. No. You want to get in the water box.
Nah, this is a nice video. This is how a video's supposed to be, bro. You see somebody on your shit, you coming outside. You not talking through no ring camera. You outside with it. What? She got a gun under her titty right now.
No. You was trying to take my package. Don't come in my yard. Do not come in my yard. I don't need nobody helping me take my package, okay?
Her ass came up to the door. It looked like she walked around. Like that she crazy.
You think if something is in my yard, I don't know it's on my floor? I can see. I just wanted to know. I have a camera. Do not come in my yard. I saw her. You was trying to take. She was in the yard.
Are you really the last person to find out about this Skip Ads Forever button? This is Pi, and if it sounds familiar to you, it's probably because you've seen their ads.
Alhambra, California. These two tricksters distracted an elderly woman pretending to give her an AirPod and necklace. But they ended up stealing her real necklace. Share this video with your loved ones, especially the elderly, so they don't fall for these sneaky tricks.
Damn, she's slick as fuck. I ain't even peep. She probably, did she snatch it off or did she take it off? Like, damn, she's smooth as hell. Damn, that's a picknick. A picknick. You know how you pickpocket? She just picknicked her shit. Like, she picknicked her shit. That's crazy, bro. Damn. Damn, she's smooth as hell.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
She's smooth as hell. Hold on. She's smooth as hell. She's smooth as hell.
Fall for these sneaky tricks. Share this video with your loved ones, especially the elderly, so they don't fall for these sneaky tricks.
Okay, I see how she took the necklace off. She was smooth. She said, and they had it in her hand while she kissed her on the cheek. Did she put another necklace on her? Gave her another necklace with the AirPod? She's smooth as hell.
New Orleans, Louisiana. Armed robbery caught on camera early at 1:27 a.m. The victims have reported the crime, and the video was sent to the police. The gunman was last seen heading toward Claiborne. If anyone has supporting footage, please share it with the police. Stay alert and stay safe.
Damn, bro came up with the... Stop playing right now. Give me everything. I want that car. I want your keys. I want your necklace. I want your face. You hear me?
Stay alert and stay safe.
What you want, bro? What you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? Get down, get down. What you want, baby? What you want? I ain't got no money on me. What you want? Here. Everything, bro. Everything. I got it.
So you just took his jacket? You just took his jacket? You ain't check his pockets?
I got it. I got it.
Damn. Niggas is robbing niggas' jackets. Oh my lord.
Yeah. Oh, god damn. Oh no. Oh, you say oh. Oh, no. Oh, and no. Oh, man. Oh, shit, down. Can I help you? Yeah. Yeah. Who are you? Yeah. Can I help you? Yeah. What do you need, sir? I need freezing. I'm cold. Yeah, please.
I wouldn't even answer the phone, the door, or none of that. I would have just kept it pushing like, yeah, bro. Just watch it.
Are you having a medical emergency, sir?
I ain't letting no stranger in my house. I don't give a fuck what you say. I got shot. Man, I'm not letting nobody in my shit. You hear me?
Hello.
That nigga got a roach up under his head. He take that bitch off right now. Your house infested, bro.
No.
This nigga freezing. His hat, his fucking... That shit crazy. Alright, y'all. That was the video, you feel me? I'm about to do one more 1505 with the 1511. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to do one more. And I'm about to go ahead and take it in. So I'm going to catch y'all like these.